All right, so I have the adjustable desktop microphone stand right here, my InnoGear. Gonna go ahead and open this up. Go ahead and open it up from this top, slide it out. Comes with a nice bubble wrap on it, and go ahead and put the stand, this part of the stand right here. It's heavy metal right there. We're gonna go ahead and pull it out. And it's just a two-piece, I believe. Actually, is there more in here? Here, there's actually more in here. So let me pull this out. Here is the top of it. Go ahead and pull this back and out. Here, this comes right here. Mic stand, simply screw it in. Like that. And then go ahead and screw that up so you can put the mic head in and come up a little bit so you can see. And then just go ahead and put that right there. All right, so here is the microphone stand. Tighten it up a little bit once it gets to the right thing. Tighten it up like that. Come up a little bit more so you can see. And this slides up if you need to adjust it right here. And you tighten it right there to whatever height that you need. And that is the microphone stand. Fairly simple. Hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.